Alright, hey guys, welcome in. I'm trying something a little bit different. I haven't done a video in a while and I've been slacking on making new videos, but I've been really into a lot of different projects in my new schools and really enjoying some of the projects that have been turning out and getting to do some more 3D projects and stuff with the hands besides just drawing projects and coloring projects. So I wanted to take a break and give you guys a quick video, almost like a vlog kind of type video. I'm trying something to load a little bit new. Let me know in the comments how you like that or if I should do more of these and what I should do more of these on, just because I'm trying something a little bit new. So for sure, if you haven't subscribed already, do that down in the bottom. Hit that red button, hit the subscribe. What I really wanted to show you in this was just the finished project of one of my favorite projects that I do throughout the year. It's called the clay vessels. I'll put a link down in the description. The clay vessel project is easy clay project that any art teacher or art class can do. What I wanted to quick jump on here and do a little vlog type video just to show you some of the cool stuff that they're doing, just because I just basically took them out of the kiln yesterday and they turned out really cool. So I wanted to try to find a cool way to show you guys. So some of these just turned out awesome. Basically what they had to do is they just had to create some sort of vessel or container to hold something. It could be something as simple as candy or change or money, or something that could be really personal that they really wanted to have a container for a piece of jewelry that they got, or something that means something a little bit more to them. But some of these turned out really cool. Not only just the design of them, but then the colors on how they added a lot of colors. Like I like this almost like volcano style, but the really good details that some of them had with like the dots on the top. A lot of them had little different things on the edges. I really like the shape of this. You can definitely tell that it's a pinch pot because you can almost fit your finger in some of those. They usually start out this project by picking out a shape. So a lot of them started with certain shapes and then built and add designs from there. This one started out like a square, and putting a square together almost as a pinch pot is really a difficult task. And these are again second graders, so second grade this is really a challenge for. So I thought some of these turned out really cool. This one is actually my daughter's. She's also in second grade, but she got a little bit more freedom on this one. She challenged herself to do an animal with a vessel or a holder. So this one can actually hold pencils in the little eye sockets there, which I thought was a cool creative idea to do from that one. This was one of my favorite ones that just had a holder. I mean, to make a holder like this out of a coil and be strong enough, and the awesome design for second grade was really cool. Some of the lids that turned out really nice. A lot of the details, a little tab or holder, really good thickness on a lot of them. I always challenge them to try to be about as thick as your finger. That'll give it a good stability on there. But really cool designs. And I actually got to do one also. I kind of made a mini version, but this one I put all the different colors of all the glazes that I had because I hadn't had one of theirs. So I want to show you guys that quick too, because I had to have some fun with this too. So definitely, if you like this video or this type of video, I thought I'd just take a little break from my normal videos and come back with something new for you guys. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Obviously, subscribe to my awesome channel. Tons and tons of videos for all ages and abilities. That's the best way to find that. All you gotta do is type in Mr. Schuette on YouTube or Google, and I'll find out on there. It'll pop up all my videos. Got tons and tons. I think I got over 100 videos now, but still trying to come up with more. So definitely hit in the comments if you like this video and other videos like this that I should do. Thank you for viewing this video, and thank you as always. I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's Art Class, and we will see you later.